Took the rail-to-rail bike path and wanted to check out this park on the eastern end. I was glad there was actually something on the eastern end of the bike path, because when I went to the western end, it was literally nothing there. There was this little interpretive center with a ranger that is very helpful and explains everything. Now to go see some nature, that's what we're here for. I see a pond on the left right over there. Let's check it out. Obviously don't go over the gates and enter the wetlands, but look at all these little ducks in the water and just chilling here on the ground. Let's continue exploring. I really love just going next to the water most of the time. Some of the paths lead uphill to like a bench or a viewing point, just somewhere you could sit and take in the view. Haha, I saw these random canyons for some reason. I didn't really notice them on the other side, but on this side there's a bunch of turtles. The ranger actually let me know it's a turtle sanctuary as well. It's a small park, but a nice place to visit on the eastern end of the rail-to-rail bike path. See you again!